It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DOLV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Now, real quick, this is actually the daily time frame. I bring this up because for those of you that watched yesterday's video, you know that this is the time frame that I talked about. And the big thing, at that point was, hey, the price did a good job of holding, the purple line. But what's in store? Well, today, you look at the day, and you got a big old green candle. And this big old green candle does lead to a logical question. Hey, this is a nice day. Is there something more to it? Is this the start of something bigger? I have no idea, but by using charts and by using more so the 30-minute time frame, which we're going to change to, we can make answering that question very straightforward. So that's really the question on, the purpose of the video here is, yeah, the daily chart, the day as a whole had a great day, but is there any sort of true power behind it? And we're going to use a 30-minute here, which you now see as our way of answering that. In my mind, the way to answer that focuses on one level, and that level is down here at 0.066. Let's give it a little bit more leeway. 0.065, a little bit easier to remember. So 0.065. Why is 0.065 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it all started. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with genuine power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.065. Any sort of closes below that, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? Well, that would be putting the price right back inside of this range where it was when the price was flirting with these, lows that you didn't want to see. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous low down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. So if today as a whole is the start of something bigger on that daily chart, well, then you're going to want to see progress being made forward. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement progress being made as the price staying up above 0.065. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm just going to talk about one briefly here, and I'll explain that in a second. But that's going to be the pink line up there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that. But really, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a top priority right now. Top priority is just go through some healthy consolidation, build some higher bases. Because as long as there's higher bases being built, then over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking those areas of resistance. So all in all, no doubt about it, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.